1,000?
Uh, Sir, kung pabalikin mo ako sana pagka-presidente, I will make up for the uh, yung kulang na ano.
Kawawa naman po yung mga pamilya,
Well,
Mr. President. Actually, marami po mga
look,
napatay
sir,
na hindi po nabibigyan ng hustisya, and I think this is
thi-
not a
this
laughing
is-
matter, Mr.
this
Mr.
is
Chairman.
this is my message, sir.
Yes.
Pagka pumasok ka sa droga, pumasok sa krimen, iyo yan.
But-
iyo yan.
Yes, but Mr. President, you
Ah,
manifested. Yes.
And they heard me say that do not do it because I will kill you.
Yeah, but you manifested a while.
Narinig
Yes,
nila
Mr.
yan, sir.
I understand po. You manifested a while ago that those that were killed during the war on drugs were not all addicts and high-value targets.
Iyan ang
Kaya hindi po nagmamatch yung...
that would be a matter of mathematical ano sir. Hindi lahat talaga tama ka. Tama ka.
Okay.
It could not be na lahat durugista or even connected with drugs.
And because of this pronouncement, Mr. President, because you have mentioned of the reward system, doon po sa nabasa kong sa news, and if I may, police were outsourcing extrajudicial killings to the same vigilante gang they accused of murder. Officials of the PNP, andyan po, kung mababasa po ninyo, coordinated with vigilantes, selected targets to credit for murders, and on occasion paid for assassinations in the name of the war against drugs. So in other words, Mr. Chairman, because of this war on drugs na pronouncement po ninyo, yung pong anti-drug vigilante group existed because of this tinatawag po nating outsourcing ng mga pulis. Like what happened, Mr. President, nung kami po ay nag-imbestiga dito na si Colonel Santi, who testified under oath and made an affidavit na sinasabi po niya na nag-hire po sila ng killer para po kay General Barayuga. At binayaran po nila ng 300,000 pesos. Will you agree with me, Mr. President, that General Barayuga was a victim of extrajudicial killing?
I'm sorry sir. I'm not wala talaga akong maisabi dyan. Hindi ko alam ano sinasabi mo.
This happened, Mr. President, during your time.
Yeah.
But you don't know what happened to General Barayuga?
Wala akong
Mr. Chairman, kasi po panahon po ninyo to nung mamatay si General Barayuga, and it saddened us kung hindi po natin alam kung ano po nangyari doon sa kaso yun.
Yan ang problema eh. Gusto ko rin malaman kasi it was during my time. I am as much interested as you.
Kasi Mr. President, General po to.
Pero yung utos ko,
Apo.
inaamin ko,
Na ano po?
walang problema yan.
Hindi nyo po ba inimbestigahan itong tungkol kay General Barayuga?
Pero nakialam dyan siya.
Kindly wrap up.
Kasi po, Mr. Mr.
That is a personal maybe, I don't know.
Kasi po si
Wala akong ano na magpatay ng general.
Kasi po, ito pong si Colonel Hector Grijaldo, na siya pong nag-aakusa sa amin that kami daw po ay pinuwersa namin siya, kinuors namin siya, hinaras po namin siya. Siya po ang chief of police ng Mandaluyong when this murder of General Grijaldo happened. General Barayuga happened. And that's the reason why we are asking about kung nalaman po ninyo itong kasong to, Mr.
Wala, sir. Sino yan sir? Sinong suspect?
Well, according po kay Colonel Santi, ang suspect po ay si Colonel Leonardo at si Colonel Garma. He mentioned in the affidavit that Colonel Leonardo called him. Kaya nga po, tinatanong po namin sa inyo kung nalalaman po niyo yung kaso niyo.
I do not know. There should be cases by now. or case, this will be a case filed by now. Kung ganun, lalo na general. So, anong ginagawa ng police pati military niyan? They should be more more active. Lalo na yung general.
Okay po. Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, merong pronouncement sa Philippine Daily Inquirer written by Marlon Ramos, Robert Dehon, noong October 14, 2016. And De Lima called mother of all drug lords. Nakasulat po to at binabanggit